Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 12th, 2022. We're going to talk about Axie Infinity today and try to see if the market has made a bottom for us. Because if the market has made the bottom in Axie Infinity, then that means that we should be coming in and buying the cryptocurrency as much as possible. But if the market is not done falling, then we should not be buyers. Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. To those who are new, I do the price prediction without the confusion. I mean, you guys can already see in front of your screen right now, there is a price prediction that I've conducted already. I was predicting that the price in Axie Infinity is going to go down anyway, and here we are today. So before I get started, if you guys want to continue to join me, if you guys want to continue to be one of the first ones to know where I'm looking for the market to go in the cryptocurrency space, I want you all to tap that bell notification. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that as well, because I want you all to be part of this fantastic team of individuals who is predicting where prices are going to go without any of the confusion. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down first, and then we'll see whether or not the market in Axie Infinity has actually bottomed. All right. So my last time I did a video for Axie Infinity was on May the 10th. You guys can see that this price prediction was on way before then. I created this price prediction on April the 29th. I did a follow-on video on May the 10th, still telling you all that I was looking for the market Axie Infinity to fall. I was still looking for it to drop in price, and that is exactly what it did right here on the 11th. So a day after I've done the video on May the 10th, the market came to our ultimate TP price, which was right here around $16.30. You guys can see it's 53.25% win right there. And just that simple. Yeah, it's just that simple. You guys could go back and even listen to what I was talking about at that particular time to forecast why I was looking for the market in Axie Infinity to go down to $16.25. It's powerful. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so you guys can see that the market came here on May the 11th, and it also came back down to $16.25 2 days ago. Now, let's talk. Is the bottom here? Like, for real? Are we at the bottom in price for Axie Infinity? How can you tell? By looking at the chart, if the market in Axie Infinity has hit bottom. Well, for one way, you can tell is by increasing volume. All right, right down here at the bottom of my chart, this is all the volume that's coming into the market in Axie Infinity on this exchange. Does it look big to you? Does it look monumental to show you and reflect that buyers are now coming into the market? The next thing that we can tell to see whether or not the market has hit bottom in Axie Infinity is, have we broke this trend? Because the downtrend in the market in Axie Infinity has been in play for a very long time. I mean, the downtrend started all the way back here in November of last year. You guys can tell, like, the market went up. Look at this. Market went up, and now it's coming right back down. Almost a symmetrical triangle. Amazing. The next thing that you can kind of gauge to see whether or not the market in Axie Infinity has hit bottom is, let's look at the overall trend. Like, this is the overall trend right here that I've created, that we can actually see the market buyers come in and buy of this currency. Now we're almost there now. We're about, let me see, another 50% away from us testing that trend line that I've created here into the market in Axie Infinity. Now, given how bad this downtrend is in Axie Infinity, it's not improbable that we can't see the market in Axie Infinity fall another 47%. Like, let's keep it real. I mean, from the high in November, this market has already lost what? 90% of its value. Just last year, the market in Axie Infinity was traded at $166. Here we are today at $15.75. It's one reason why you need to have an exit plan when you're coming in participating in the cryptocurrency space. While this market in Axie Infinity has been on a downtrend, I know you guys have been seeing videos of people trying to pump this market saying that Axie Infinity is a buy. I don't think it's a buy yet until we test this trend that I've created on my chart. So you guys can see this even a little bit better on a 3-day time frame, that the market here in Axie Infinity is still in a downtrend. All right, it's still weak. Look at this on the 5-day. You're still seeing weakness. Look at this on the weekly. We got 6 hours and 10 minutes left. The market still looks weak. Okay, look at the monthly time frame. Right here on the monthly time frame, I kind of like it with all of the high volume that came in for the month of May, and the market spread is a lot smaller. So we're noticing some market buyers coming into this space. So I'm gonna keep it real. Okay, if I see buyers coming in, then I'm going to acknowledge it and I'm going to tell you all about it. And right now it does look as if some buying came into the market in Axie Infinity last month, but it's so far showing itself as not being enough to stop the downward pressure in Axie Infinity. All right, so now look at this on the 5 weeks. We're not starting off the current 5 weekly price bar on a good foot. Look at that. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market Axie Infinity come and test the highs of these 5 weekly price bars right here. The one that started on March the 15th, 2021. And the second one was started on April the 19th, 2021. I wouldn't be surprised to see the market buyers try to come into that space and hold a price there. Okay, so the high of these two 5 weekly price bars is $11.30. Okay, those were the highs. $11.30, and then the next one was $11.29. Let's pay attention to that area, because both of those two 5 weekly price bars, the market couldn't break above that level. So as we come back down, I want to see the buyers test that $11.30. So I think we got a point that we're going to look forward to for us to look for the market to fall in Axie Infinity. Okay, and it's right there around $11.30. Okay, so that's another 28% downward pressure move into the market in Axie Infinity. You see that? So that's going to be my first price target. It's just that simple. And we also know that as long as the price in Axie Infinity continues to fail to not break outside of this downtrend line, we have to take note of it. If it doesn't do this, we understand that the market is still weak. We need to see the buyers break this downtrend line in order for us to remain, or at least switch over to say that the market is now a buy. Until that time, we got to continue to be weak. We have to continue to expect price to fall. The charts is not lying to us. It's telling us precisely what the overall market is trying to do. And many other people in Axie Infinity is doing a lot of selling than they are buying. All right. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and continue to play the weakness into the market in Axie Infinity. I'm going to extend down this downtrend line here, because I want us to continue to focus in on this area. Now, it looked like the market's going to try to test this downtrend line possibly ending on this month. So we'll have to keep our eyes open to see if the buyers will be able to take out that particular point. Because if so, then we'll have to switch our ideas as to us looking for price to go down. But as of this particular moment, we are going to continue to be weak in this space. All right. Let me bring this up a little bit higher. Okay. So you guys got my price target, $11.30. Let me bring this up to $11.30 or around that area. 28% movement to the downside. Are you prepared for that? And we're going to maintain this weakness until the market in Axie Infinity, until we see the market break outside of our downtrend line, or it breaks above $20. And I'm done. That's it. Finish. Finito. Over. Now it's your turn to go ahead and drop your price prediction on this video. Yeah, go ahead and try it yourself. Just look at the chart for what it is and try to determine where the market is headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.